Hey guys, this is PJ and my son Isaiah. Isaiah, look up at the camera and say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
So we're going to take him on his 4-channel helicopter here. We got the Venom Beacon. Flies better than the E-Flight police helicopter. What is it, the CX-3 or CX-2 or whatever it is. I think it's CX-3. So yeah, well, he flies an SR-120 too, but the board's gone in it, so we're going to have to fix the board for him. But alright, Isaiah, take her up. Take it easy. Don't treat it like... Do pirouettes. Do it again. And he's 8 years old, guys, if you didn't know. Whoa, take it easy. Don't jam the sticks around too hard, buddy. You can. It's not like the SR-120. Don't jam the sticks too hard. Just take it easy. Try and flow nice with her. That's it. That's it. Come on, Isaiah. Bring it up. Do a pirouette. Alright, that was smooth. Nose in! Turn it. That was pretty good, Isaiah. Just did some nose in action. Nose in again. There he goes. Nose in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, Isaiah, I'm impressed, buddy. You're getting so good. This one on a calm day you can take outside, buddy. Yeah, and take it way up in the air if you want. That's it. I'm going to get you some Thunder Power batteries for this thing, eh, Isaiah? With a higher milliamp, so you get a longer fly time. He's going to be pro in no time, guys. As you can tell, he's better than some guys out there just starting out. Come on, Isaiah, bring her up and do some pirouettes. Bring her up, bring her up. Up, higher. Like, oh, the light's flashing, Isaiah, land.